1 times 20, 7. 10 times 20, 7. 100 times 20, 7. 1,000 times 20, 7. 10,000 times 20, 7. That's how fast you can start crushing it. Alright, so do you use a Mac? So that all you need to do is know Command C, Command V. Or maybe you use a PC. All you need to know is Control C, Control V. Or maybe you use one of these, mobile phone. All you need to do is press hold, copy, press hold, paste. That's how easy it is to make money with this video. Invest your time and let's get it rocking. My greetings to all you lovely and beautiful people out there. Alright, so thank you so much for clicking on this video. Great choice. Alright, so this is a simple copy and paste tutorial. It's free and it won't cost you anything. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to earn over 200,000 US dollars. All depends on you. Put in the effort, watch this video, this YouTube video step by step. I promise you, you're just going to be using Google and one tool. That's all. And your effort, of course. And you can start making money online for free in your spare time. So I don't know about you, but you probably, grew up, started kindergarten, went to primary school, high school, did an exam, started an internship, went to college, started working. Maybe you started a 5 to 7 job or 9 to 8 job or whatever time it was involved. You certainly started a job. So my question is, how long did that take you? Probably 20 years of your time, probably maybe 18 years of your time, maybe 30 years of your time, maybe even 50 years of your time. Alright, so whatever it is, this is a shortcut. So all you need to do is invest the time. Just a little bit of time. It could take you 5 years. It could take you 1 year. It could take you 1 month. It could take you a day. But just invest the time and follow this video. So you pause this video and work with me. We're going to work this together. That's the only way you can really start making the money. And you come back, play this video, and implement. Alright, so let's get it right into it. A question: if you had all the money you could ever wish for today, what would you do with it? Drop a comment. But let me know, what are all the beautiful things you want to do? Maybe you want to buy a car. Maybe you want to buy a new house. Maybe you want to see the world, travel the world. Maybe you want to eat exotic food. Maybe you want to buy a new girlfriend or a new boyfriend. Maybe you want to pay off all your credit card debt. Alright? Maybe you just want to live a healthier life. Maybe you just want to live. Maybe you just want to sleep all day. Maybe you want to watch YouTube videos all day. Maybe you want to play games. I don't know. But having the money you wish for will certainly make a difference. And in this video, we're going to start. Let's get started. So now you're about to learn how to make passive income from doing less. For some people, it's like doing nothing. This new age, you can start making money with copy and paste. You don't need any initial investment. All you need is this method. And all you need to do is follow me right now. Do this anywhere in the world and it's all for free. All you need is your laptop, tablet, or a simple mobile phone. Take action and do this with me right now and today. Open a second window and start going these step by step with me. Alright? Very, very important. If you want to make money, let's do this together. You don't need a website, you don't need any coding, you don't need to open a company, start an LLC or a limited, nothing. You don't need any academic knowledge for this as well. I'm sure you spend so much time learning in school. Now we're going to do this on YouTube. Easy. If you're wondering who I am, my name is Pete. I run a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. Frankfurt is one of the financial hubs in Europe. And we love to turn $0 into something awesome. So now I want you to go to Google and type in 10 best SEO affiliate programs to try in 2021. Alright, when you do that, at least I see SEMrush and so on. What we're going to do is we're going to go through all these programs and see which one fits the most, and then we're going to get started. Alright, so let's go to SEMrush. Alright, so we're here at SEMrush, trust the company. Scroll down and look for an affiliate program. Alright, affiliate program means do they have, can we start promoting their product, right? It's easy as it is. Alright, so here we go, affiliate program, click on it, and then, alright, so let's read through, just read through. And it says who can be a SEMrush affiliate, content publishers, paid search enthusiasts, data integrators, agencies, speakers, all-round marketing genius. Alright, so we're none of that. If you are, next video, but in this video, we're not. So let's go back. The hoot. Alright, let's try that. Alright, so there we go. So we scroll down and look for an affiliate program. Do they have an affiliate program? Yes, they do. Click on it. And yes, let's see if we can apply. There is no information if we can get started straight away. We don't want any approval. We want to get started right now, because I want you to start making money right now, right here. All right, so let's go back to the search. SERPstat. Let's open SERPstat, and this is it. So you scroll down the footer, and then there we go, affiliate program. Click on it. All right, so you have to be a blogger, you have to be an agency, you have to be a freelancer, or you have to be an educational center. Alright, so this is not for us. So let's try Mangools. There we go. Alright, so we scroll down to the affiliate program. There it is. Alright, so click on it. Alright, let's see if we can join. Alright, so super easy to start. Just check it out. It says there is no approval process for the registration. Once you have the free Mangools account, you can automatically get access to the affiliate section. Get started with this straight away, and then we can start promoting. We get our promoting materials and we can start earning. So we found a program for ourselves. That's it. So I have a clear action plan for you, and it's right here on my computer. So you have to do this with me. Yeah, promise to do this with me. Let's go step by step. For all registrations, pause this video and complete all registrations and steps needed. Come back to this video when complete and continue the video with me. Alright? Cool. So let's do this together. So go to Mango and then go over here and you start a 10-day free trial. It's all for free. Won't cost you anything. Alright? So then you create your account. You put in your email address right here. Write your password down somewhere in a notepad or something and save it. And then all you need to do is, say you're not a robot, and then get started. So we're back on the Mangools affiliate page. And if you're wondering how much you could start earning, here are your earnings. So on a monthly basic, your commission will be $14.7. And on a monthly premium, that is if you're able to sell a premium package, you'll be earning $20.70, and a few others. They're all listed right here. So let's head over to your dashboard. First of all, let's go. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like to get here. And all you need to do, so just in case you want to learn a little bit about SEO, how it works and all that, you can learn that here. But most important is you go to affiliates and you can go to your affiliate promo materials, and there you go. So this is your new affiliate link right here. So all you need to do is copy this, and you're going to be sharing this out there. All right, and that's how you're going to get your commissions. So if people click on your link, you're going to get a commission. All right, so this is just a little plan of what you could be earning a month, or what you could generally be earning. You can start with 1 referral and work your way up to 10,000 referrals, and you'll be earning over 200,000. And it all depends on you and your effort and your time you put in. Let's keep going. This is our affiliate link. This link looks a little bit more like a code or something, so we're going to go shorten it. All right, so let's head over to, I guess, bit.ly. All right, so you can use bit.ly. You can try shortening it with bit.ly. So there you go, that's your shorten link. Or you can use another link shortening service that I found. That's link.link711.com. Just register and shorten your link right there as well. So we'll copy this. All right, and that's it. We have a shorten link, and we can get going. All right, guys. So now we have an SEO tool. We're promoting it. What next? We need to learn a little bit about an SEO tool. SEO stands for search engine optimization. All right, so meaning it helps for companies to use the right keywords. So with the right keywords, they'll easily rank on Google. So there's a lot of competition on Google. Millions and billions of companies are on Google. So if you want to rank on the first page, then you need to use the right keywords. So this tool will help proper keywording, for example. And just in case you have location search for a business. All right, so it means people search, let's say a photographer might probably search, looking for a wedding photographer in my area. So then the photographer will easily be shown. All right, and this also helps with ranking. It helps with finding powerful backlinks. Backlinks means how many web pages are linking to a certain business. Then you can check your authority score. For example, you've been writing blogs and doing a pretty good job with your web page. And if you've been doing that, you get a better ranking. So, you get a better authority. So that's it for this tool. That's all you need to know about this tool. And now we need to find businesses who will be interested in using this tool. All right, so all you need to do is go to Google again, and then just type in which businesses are most likely to invest in SEO tool. So when you do that, you're going to see right here, it says what industries need SEO tools the most. We have professional services, we have home repairs and renovation, medical practices, we have online businesses, real estates, we have restaurants, pet services, and many more. So it means, you can pick a niche, start an Excel sheet or a little table, and put in the niche that you prefer the most. Maybe you love pets, and you know a lot about pets. So you can easily go to a company and say, hey, look, your ranking is very, very bad, and it's a great experience with this tool. You can check it out. It could help you out. And should they really use your link, you can start making commissions for that. Easy stuff. All right, so let's go over and find out how many web pages use Google. Then just type in how many websites exist today, and you see that's over 1.2 billion web pages exist on the internet. It means all you need is a few. That's already showed in the graph, between 1 and 10,000. It sounds crazy, but you're not going to do this in a day. You're going to take your time and do some work, put in some time, put in some work, and yeah, you're going to make the money. As I already said, takes some people 15 years to get an education. You're going to do this in no time. All right, so this is the most important part of the video. You really, 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 and I plead to you, you really have to go with the niche you're interested in. So if you watch videos on YouTube about real estate, you'll have to search for real estate in Google. If you love pets, just go with pets. So let's just say you love real estate. Yeah, all you need to do is type in real estates in Ohio, for example. The first ones might be ads, so just skip them. And I wouldn't really pick any companies on the first page. Alright, so I just go to the second page. Second, third, fourth, fifth page, they'll do. These are ads. Let's see if we can find any. Just open a few in other tabs. I'll just go to the third page here. Alright, so I'll open a few different tabs again. And it's not going to be that easy. You'll have to really, really search, look, and open. I'd say out of 100 companies you might write to, just one might probably reply. That's reality. Do I find any contacts? Contact us. Alright, so this is a form you might have to fill out. I was searching for real estate on Google, and I realized that your page was on page number 10. No one actually really searches on page number 10. But I have this awesome SEO tool. You have nothing to lose. It's free of charge. Just test it out. It might do your company some real good. And people like me searching, we just search on the first page, and all the other pages aren't interesting. So maybe this tool might help you, to actually get on page number 2 or anything. You'll have to, come up with a few lines. I can't write anything for you right here, but come up with your own lines, and your own creativity, and just pitch, and you might probably get a sale. All right, so that's very important. You need to do this over and over again. This isn't actually a get rich scheme. Wish you great of luck. Check these other videos coming up. Check the playlist. Click on any of them. Keep watching the videos on this channel. Alright, so the good thing about this strategy is that you don't have a website. It's all you're doing is using a bit.ly link, shortened link. So you can't get banned. So you can write to as many companies as possible. You can do this with friends. You can ask your mom, maybe your mom's got time, and do this together with people. So you can write to as many companies as possible and make as much money as you wish. Yeah, no one will ban you. But caution, don't spam anybody. Just take your time. Sometimes you can actually write and then without sending the link, and after you've had a conversation, you could send the link and see if they'll register for free. And always say it's free, it doesn't cost anything, it won't hurt you, just try it out. Easy going. All right, stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification, like this video, and make that like button go shake it up. All right, cool. So see you in the next one.